Applications of potting machines in precision sensor and capacitor manufacturing. Automated potting machine achieve uniform dispensing. In the manufacture of precision sensors and capacitors, representing a complex system engineering project that integrates precision mechanics, fluid control, and intelligent processes. Its core lies in precisely controlling the spatial distribution, filling process, and curing behavior of the adhesive to ensure that the final adhesive layer is free of bubbles, has no missing adhesive, is of consistent thickness, and exhibits uniform stress.